Styling in React. Styling options available in React. When it comes to styling in React, there are several options available, each with its own advantages and use cases. Some common styling options include inline styles, where you apply styles directly to the JSX elements using the style attribute. There is CSS modules, where you use CSS files with local scope, allowing for better encapsulation and avoiding class name conflicts. CSS-in-JS libraries use JavaScript to generate style dynamically, often scoped to specific component or elements. CSS preprocessors use preprocessors like Sass or less to write CSS with additional features such as variables and mixins. Inline styles. Inline styles allow you to apply CSS directly to the JSX elements using the style attribute. Styles are defined as JavaScript objects with keys representing CSS properties and values representing their values. In here we have my component, and inside that I have the div style, which has color red and background color light blue, and inside the div HTML element you see the style is been assigned as div style over there. Inline styles are scoped to individual elements and can be dynamic, allowing for conditional styling based on the component state or props. CSS modules. CSS modules allow you to write CSS files with local scope, ensuring that styles only apply to specific components. Each CSS file is automatically scoped to the component importing it, avoiding class name conflicts. So, for example, in let's say styles.module.css file, you're creating a my button style. You give the background color and the color, and inside your code you say import styles from styles.modules.css, and in here you can, for the button, you can provide a class name equal to styles.mybutton. That will use, so the button will use the style above. CSS modules provide better encapsulation and maintainability compared to the global style sheets, as styles are only applied where they are imported. Next, CSS in JS libraries like styled components. CSS in JS libraries like styled components allow you to write CSS directly in your JavaScript code, often scoped to specific components or elements. This allows for dynamic and expressive styling with features like props-based styling and theme support. If you see here, we have our import style from style-components. Then we create a constant style button, and this is style button background color. We provide some props to it, and then color, we provide some props to that. Now inside your function, you create the style button and you set it as primary, and based on the style it will accordingly style the color button. Style components generate unique class names for each styled components, ensuring that styles are scoped and isolated from other components. Styling in React offers a variety of options to suit different preferences and project requirements. Inline styles provide simplicity and flexibility. CSS modules offer encapsulation and scoping, and CSS in JS libraries like style components provide dynamic and expressive styling capabilities. The choice of styling methods depends on factors such as project size, team preference, and desired features.